Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI to remove noise from audio. Let's get started. First, choose an AI tool like Adobe Podcast Enhance, Krisp, or Wondershare Filmora. Once you've selected your tool, open it on your device. Now click on the Upload or Choose File option and select the audio file you want to clean. After uploading, the AI will automatically start processing your audio. It will remove unwanted background noise like fan sounds, traffic noise, or hiss, and enhance your voice quality. Once the process is complete, preview the cleaned audio to make sure everything sounds clear and natural. If needed, you can make small adjustments depending on the tool you're using. Finally, download the cleaned audio file in high quality and use it in your projects. And that's it. That's how you can easily remove noise from audio using AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.